Hey guys, what's up? Adrian here from Losh TV. Today, we're doing something different, something that I have never done before. Right now, I'm at Busch Gardens, Tampa. My goal today is to hit 8 theme parks. That is Busch Gardens, SeaWorld, the 4 Disney parks, and the 2 Universal parks. So, I will be transitioning between my phone and my camera because there's no cubby/lockers at Busch Gardens or SeaWorld. So my phone will be coming with me to SeaWorld and Busch Gardens. Well, it's going with me everywhere, but to record. And then the camera will be coming with me to Disney and Universal. So with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this one. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Enjoy this one, because I'm going to have fun with it. Roll that intro. If you guys didn't know, Mardi Gras starts here January 16th. So, yeah. So I figured since nothing here opens until 10 o'clock and it's still 9:55, so we have like 5 minutes left, I might as well take you guys to go see Iron Gwazi. So let's go take a look at her. She's beautiful, trust me. Now the one thing we do know is that Iron Gwazi opens this year. And I know a ton of people are excited for this one. But we're not here for a construction update. Well, it's already constructed. Right now, we'll get on some rides. We're gonna go do cheetah hunt. There's a beautiful little cheetah.
Appropriate recycling containers. Thank you. And thank you and enjoy.
Just finished cheetah hunt. Next park you go.
Please.
All right, as you can tell by the lighthouse, we got to SeaWorld, and I ran a poll on Twitter to say what I should go on. I chose between Mako, Manta, and Kraken, and you guys decided Mako. So we're gonna go on Mako right now. Let's walk over there. They still have Christmas decorations up, which to me is a little weird, but it's Christmas, right? Still holiday season. Okay, so very intelligent me forgot that Mako's on that side of the park, but since we're coming this way, we might as well look at the construction for Icebreaker as well, because I've never shown it to you guys here. So let's go look at the construction for Icebreaker that should be opening this year. Pardon all the Christmas trees, but there's Icebreaker. We should be back here when it opens up to check it out. All right, and here's Icebreaker from the side. And like I said in the Things Coming in 2021 video, it has a very small footprint, but it looks enjoyable. And since we're gonna go do Mako, might as well go look at some sharks, since we did look at some cheetahs when we did cheetah hunt.
Most sharks are too small to harm humans.
It's now time for Mako. Alright, so I just got off of Mako. And what I say, it's just as intense as I remembered. I freaking love that ride. I don't know why I don't come to SeaWorld more often just to ride this, or Kraken. So, if you guys want me to make a SeaWorld video, let me know if you guys want me to come to SeaWorld and do a whole video dedicated to SeaWorld. But for now, I gotta go see the mouse. Hollywood Studios, here we come. Guys, we made it to Hollywood Studios. I'm gonna get in there and I'm gonna ride, I think it's either Tower of Terror or Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, depending on the wait time. So, let's get in there. I might be able to record on one of them.
making, man?
Sure, you take good care of our friends.
Gosh, bear with me. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! I must have hit that track switch! Wait! This is all my fault! Oh no! They're jumping the track! Kitty, let's get that runaway!
Oh, look at all those bright, smiling faces. It's so nice to see you. Come on in. Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's conga! Ha! Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da.
Thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now!
That's it from Hollywood Studios. Now we're gonna work our way over to Animal Kingdom. So let's walk over there. Now we're at Animal Kingdom. I'm gonna go ride Everest. It still has a 15-minute wait, so we're gonna go check that out. You know, whenever you walk into Animal Kingdom, you need to just admire the Tree of Life. It's just gorgeous. It is time for us to go conquer Everest. Guys, it's time for the picture. Why'd you mess up my trap? Let's get ready for that picture. Alright guys, that's it from Animal Kingdom. We're gonna hop over to Universal now. I know these are like just me recording that I'm at the park, giving you something from the park, and then going to the other park. That's kind of the idea of what I'm doing today. Ever since I woke up, I've been driving. I drove from my house to Tampa, from Tampa to Orlando, and so on and so forth. Right now I'm gonna drive to Universal. Universal closes at 5 today. Islands closes at 6. After that, we're gonna go to Magic Kingdom. And after that, hopefully, we can go to EPCOT. And that'll be our 8th park. So, see if we can do it. Now we're here at City Walk, and they have boarded up, they started boarding up the project that hasn't been made yet. Named, better said. They've done this whole side. So we should be seeing a face on this very soon. And now before I walk into Universal, I just want to let you know that I am at a little bit of a crunch for time. And I haven't given you guys timestamps as well. So, just to give you guys a little idea of what I'm working with so far. I got to Busch Gardens at 9:30, you guys know that. I got to SeaWorld at 12:15, Hollywood Studios at 1:15, Animal Kingdom at 3, and now I got here at 4:15. So this is front gate, currently 4:30 because I parked at 4:15. So I'm gonna go from here, go ride ET, because you know I love ET, I can't do anything without ET. So let's go ride ET. I need to bring you with me.
Welcome home.
So I came over to Islands from Universal. We did ET. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I wanted to do Hagrid's, but the line's about a 75-minute wait, and that's gonna really push me back if I do that. So instead, I'm gonna do my second favorite ride here at Islands, which is Spider-Man. And if you guys didn't know, my third favorite ride is the Cat in the Hat. So let's go hit Spider-Man. I can't record on Spider-Man, but I can record the queue and the interior, you know, the facade. I can record the facade for you guys. All right, guys, we just got off of Spider-Man, and now, whew, can't believe I'm gonna say this, we're in the home stretch. 2 parks left. We're about to hop over to Magic Kingdom right now and have some fun. So let's get over there. We are now at the Magic Kingdom. I'm gonna walk over to the Haunted Mansion. It's a little dark outside now. It's close to 7 o'clock, so I have 2 hours left. Park number 7. Let's go do the Haunted Mansion.
Spiders, hail rats, all men spirits, wherever they're at. Rat quality, it's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond.
I did.
Selected you to fill our order, and then won't be what take you return.
Alright, so that's it for the Magic Kingdom. We're gonna go to the car now, which is a very far walk. And then we're going to go to EPCOT to ride whatever you guys said on the poll on Twitter, which I'll put the results up on the screen right now. I haven't looked at it yet, so I guess I'll find out in the car. You guys chose Test Track, and guess what? We made it. These new spires look gorgeous. Like, they really tie EPCOT together. Like, wow. No joke, if you guys have made it this far in the video, thank you so much. This wasn't an easy task at all. Been up since 6 in the morning. So thank you for staying through to the end. Let's go finish it off with Test Track.
SIM card performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM car off-road and extreme weather sequence. Scanning SIM car for optimal eco efficiency. Engaging eco scan for aerodynamic efficiency.
We did it!
Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active.
We did it. I didn't think we can do it, but we did it. 8 theme parks in one day. I might say I am exhausted, but I am also feeling satisfied. This is something I've been wanting to do since I was younger. I've always wanted to visit every single theme park in Central Florida in one day, and I did it. I went on attractions that I enjoy at every single park. Shit, I went on Cheetah Hunt today, I went on Mako, I went on Haunted Mansion, I went on to Test Track. These are all rides that I love to go on, and I'm happy that I can bring you guys along with me. If you guys like this video and you guys want me to do more things like this, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below some stuff you want to see, because I can't just keep coming up with these crazy ideas in my head and then not knowing if you guys are gonna watch it or not. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe if you already hadn't done so. And hey, buy some merch, because I rocked my merch all day today. From 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. I rocked my merch. Why not get yourself a piece of merch from the Losh shop? With all that being said, stay excellent, my dudes. Peace. Do you guys know who the prettiest girl in school is? The EPCOT ball.